Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
BTC was coiners up by 40k since June crash began. A sharp fall in the cryptocurrency price in May and June appears to have coincided with the increase in wallet addressing holding more than one Bitcoin. Smaller Bitcoin (BTC) investors have found a unique opportunity during the crypto slumps to snap up their favorite cryptocurrency. The number of wallet coiners has surged by 40,000 since the June slump alone. According to Look to Bitcoin, the number of BTC wallet coiners has been steadily increasing since January 31, when the BTC price was around $38,000. However, Bitcoin price fell around 27% in May and another 40% in June, the same month that saw 25,389 new wallets holding at least one wall Bitcoin. BTC price at the current time of writing is 2030.035, down 64% from its all-time high ATH of $64,400 in November 2021, and the number of wallet coiners is currently at an all-time high of 891,346 as of August 1, 2022. Crypto investor like Davis told his Twitter followers on Monday that a lot of people are hitting their WorldCoin goal. Interestingly, the data saw the number of wallets holding more than 10 BTC, 100 BTC, and 1000 BTC have started to taper off or even decline during the same period. Wallet address with more than 10 BTC rose by only 600 since May. Addresses with more than 100 BTC have declined by 125, and wallets with more than 1000 BTC have fallen by 113. Bitcoin price has been trending up since mid-July. However, there are mixed opinions on whether the cryptocurrency has already met its bottom or if further downsides are on the way. BLTC wallet coiners up by 40k since June crash began. A sharp fall in the cryptocurrency price in May and June appears to have coincided with the increase in wallet address holding more than one Bitcoin. Smaller Bitcoin (BTC) investors have found a unique opportunity during the crypto slump to snap up their favorite cryptocurrency. The number of well-coiners has surged by 40,000 since the June slump alone. According to Look to Bitcoin, the number of BTC wallet coiners has been steadily increasing since January 31, when the BTC price was around $38,000. However, Bitcoin price fell around 27% in May and another 40% in June, the same month that saw 25,389 new wallets holding at least one wall Bitcoin. BTC's price at the current time of writing is 23.035, down 64% from its all-time high ATH of $64,400 in number 2021. And the number of wallet coiners is currently at an all-time high of 891,346 as of August 1, 2022. Crypto investor like Devil told his Twitter's followers on Monday that a lot of people are holding their WorldCoin gold. Interestingly, the data shows the number of wallets.
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.